How to delete your account from Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete your account from Instagram. To do this, you want to first of all open the Instagram application and log into your account. And you also want to make sure that your account is completely up to date. Next, tap on the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the menu bar from the top right corner. After which, go to account center from the list and then you want to click on your information and permissions. Click on personal details. When you go to the personal details section, you have these account ownership and control. Click that out. After that, you want to go ahead and tap on memorialization. Click on it. After which, you want to click on deactivation or deletion. Select the particular account that you want to deactivate. Select your account deletion, all that stuff, and make sure to confirm it if you have any sort of other associated thing. You then need to go and give a reason. Click on the continue button, and then you'll have to go and continue all the stuffs that you have on your device or on the particular account, and you will finally be asked to type in your password to confirm your deletion. And once you're done entering the password, you'll have successfully deleted your account from Instagram. But you also need to understand that for 30 days, your account is just going to be deactivated. And only after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So that is how it works. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.